Hey guys, so it is July 21st, 2023, and here I am drinking my Amare Happy Juice. Now, don't mind my hair and my naked face. Honestly, I haven't had my shower yet today, so I didn't see the sense to putting on makeup before having a shower. So that's why I have absolutely no makeup on right now. Now, this stuff is amazing. It gives me just the right of motivation I need to get through my day, and it makes me awake from the time I get up and drink this until 10 o'clock at night. And then I take sleeping pills. They have me on 4 clonazepam right now, which honestly is too much, and they won't reduce it. But anyway, that's another story. So I'm on a lot of sleeping meds. But this stuff honestly keeps me awake from the time I'm awake till 10 o'clock at night without getting tired at all. It gives me just the right amount of energy, and it gives me just the right motivation and determination to get things done, especially when my son's around, and to take care of him and to want to take care of him more. Because with my anhedonia, to be completely honest, if I wasn't drinking this stuff, I'd just want to do nothing. I force myself to do things anyway because I know I have to, but I would want to do literally nothing aside from lay in bed all day and just be depressed, because anhedonia really sucks.